guys, this is now fun, and today we have a little package to unbox, and yeah, let's do it. Nonetheless, we got a Junter with me.
Hello.
And Ailo as my cameraman, and let's do this. Okay, let's unbox this. This came from the bag actually. Right, let's clear this out.
Careful.
Another layer. Okay, how do you open this?
Don't too rush.
I'm too excited. Oh my god, there's another layer. Gosh. How many layers are there? Oh, mama. Oh, mama mia, guys. Oh, mama. As you guys can see, that's black.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, mama. Oh. Oh. Oh my god, guys.
I think. Oh.
Oh, look at that overview of the high quality package. Right, let's open. I'm gonna be gentle with you guys. Okay. Okay. Not this one. Oh. You guys can take a look of what it is. There you go, guys. There you freaking go. Oh, wow. Look at that. Yeah, guys. Yeah. So, guys, we got this all new Razer mechanical switches. Get up close with it. Designed for gaming, greater durability. Focus. You just. Okay. Greater durability, and compared to standard mechanical switches, 10 key rollover, extreme anti-ghosting in gaming mode. Yeah. So this is the Razer Blackwidow Expert 2014, and let's take a look at the side here. See it? Okay, on the front, micro recording, macro keys, anti-ghosting, microphone jack, earphone jack, USB pass-through. And we the back here. World's first mechanical switches designed for gaming. Okay. So yeah, that's it. Yeah, let's open it up. So let's open it up. Oh, we just pull here, I believe. Pull it up. Okay, so that's one. Do I need? Oh, okay. I can only just
Oh my god.
Okay, I don't want to damage the box, so I'm just gonna cut this. Okay, let's do this. Okay. Get back, get back, get back. There we go, guys. That's the beast.
Release it.
Okay, so okay, with that. Oh, mamma mia. Sorry if I teleported here, but let's open it up back again because you guys didn't see that. Okay, I was cutting here last time, right here. Okay, let's open it up. Oh my gosh, I got no grip. Right, here we go. Open this flap. And we get into the box itself. The box have not much. Just the place where the keyboard was placed here, and under it there was a little gift from Razer itself. There's a ton of stuff here. Okay, right here. Focus. Yeah. All that. Okay. Yeah. That's all I got in the box. And yeah, I guess that's it. We got some stickers, which I'm not gonna use like this. I guess. I'm just gonna put it back in. And yeah, that's it. What I got from this unboxing. Yeah, it's not much, but yeah, that's the unboxing. Done. So yeah, I plugged it in. Look, there's a green color Razer logo right here, and there's no backlight on the keyboard. And yeah, this. Just gonna read this. But yeah, here. I've put up all this thing, and yeah, turned out pretty good. See that? It's working. So guys, I'm gonna sign in into my Razer account, and yeah, let's hear it. Why are you so fucking far away? Please, don't. Can you hold it? Yes. Nee. Okay, let's do this. Oh, a little space there. Yeah, that's good. Okay, this is private, so you guys can just see it. There you go. And yeah, that's it. A little first look. It feels very nice on your hand. Has this green light on the Razer logo, and look at this. Look at here. Here is the caps lock, num lock, and also the what is it? Yeah, the screen lock. And yeah, there's a stand up right back here. If you guys want to get that little adjust height, but I think it's very nice, but I don't know which I'm gonna play with. I think this one, because my last keyboard just like that. And yeah, feels very nice. And let's try getting one of the keys out. Let's try this key. Look at that. That's the Razer. So that's the Razer green switches, and here is the back, the key, and there it is, the switch. And let's install it back. Wow, easy. Doesn't even fix. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. And also, almost forgot, look at that. There's a USB pass-through and a headphone pass-through and a microphone pass-through, which is very helpful for those who put their computer down under their desk or on top of them. So yeah, you can just put it here, and yeah, do that. And guess that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoy, and gaming setup coming up. Just stay tuned, okay? See you guys next time, guys. Bye bye. So guys, it's been a couple hours since I used it, and I've been playing around with it, and yeah, here it is. But yeah, I just want to show you guys the software, the Synapse, Razer Synapse. As you guys can see there, you can program all sort of stuff. Right there, if I can focus, but yeah, you can change a lot of stuff. You can change default setting. Okay, Counter-Strike. There's my setup. I bind some keys to talk and all that. the default. There's lighting also. You can adjust up. There, normal, okay, normal. It won't focus, guys, but sorry, dim. That's off. Okay. See that? And there's a policy, like settings, and look at this. It kind of like breathe. Yeah. Goes out and goes in. Yep. And gaming mode, which is awesome. How you activate it is by pressing Fn on the keyboard, and gaming mode on F10. Yeah. Then when gaming mode is enabled, the Windows key is disabled, Alt tab is disabled, and Alt F4 you can also disable, which is very good. And macros, you can do macros, a lot of macros, but I haven't do any macros. I'm just gonna learn it more about this computer, but yeah, it sounds very nice. It clicks, and yeah, I think that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next time. Bye bye.